Welcome to Online Math for All. Here we have an equation on the board. When we look at this equation, it seems to be complicated. Actually, it is not. Let us see how to solve this kind of equations. Okay, in each fraction in the given equation, there is a decimal. In the first fraction, the denominator is 0.5, and in this decimal, there is one digit after the decimal point. Since there is one digit after the decimal point, it can be written as a fraction with denominator 10. When we go to the second fraction, the denominator is 0.05. There are two digits after the decimal point, so we can write this one as a fraction with denominator 100. Okay, let us see how it is. So first let us write the first fraction x over. Since there is one digit after the decimal point in 0.5, we can write this as a fraction 5 over 10, because we know that the value of 5 over 10 is 0.5. Okay, in 0.05 there are two digits after the decimal point, so we can write this as a fraction with denominator 100, 5 over 100. That is 5 over 100 is equal to 0.05. In this way, we can write 0.005 can be written as a fraction with 1000, because there are three digits after the decimal point. So 5 over 1000 negative 1 over, here there are four digits after the decimal point, so we can write this one as a fraction with 5 over 10,000 is equal to 0. Here we have x, and this x is divided by the fraction 5 over 10. Okay, so I write this x and I change this division as multiplication. Whenever I change this division as multiplication, I have to take reciprocal for this fraction, then it will become 10 over 5. So in the same way, 1 divided by 5 over 1000 is there, but 1 instead of this division we can write multiplication, then we have to take reciprocal for this one, then it will be 100 over 5. Positive x times 1000 over 5 negative 1 times 10,000 over 5 is equal to 0. Okay, x times 10 over 5 will be 10x over 5, and 1 times 100 over 5 will be 100 over 5. Positive x times 1000 will be 1000 x over 5 negative 1 times 10,000 will be 10,000 over 5 is equal to 0. Okay, now we have the same denominator for all the fractions. So what we can do is we can take the denominator once and simplify the numerators. So 10x minus 100 plus 1000 x negative 10,000 is equal to 0. Okay, now we can combine the like terms in numerator. 10x positive 1000x will be 1000 10x minus 100 minus 10,000 will be minus 10,100 over 5 is equal to 0. Okay, to get rid of this denominator 5, I just multiply both sides of this equation by 5. Then this 5 will cancel out. We get 1010x minus 10,100 is equal to 0 times 5 will be 0. Now to solve for x, I have to isolate it. So for that I have to get rid of this negative 10,100. So to get rid of this 10,100, I am adding 10,100 to both sides. So this negative value, positive value will cancel out. 1000 10x is equal to 10,100. Now I divide both sides by 1010. This 1010 will cancel out. Here 1010 goes into 1010 one times. Here also it's one times. It is 10. So finally we get the value for x, that is x is equal to 10. I think everyone can understand this problem. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.